See other guys, my name is Kumar, you are watching me. Let's start today's video without having the further delay. So basically this video is going to be routine of 10th May 2025 and today is Saturday. Basically throughout the whole days of routine video I'm going to see like what is actually happened and what is actually not happened. So let's start this video without having the further delay. So basically today first of all I wake up, then after that I washed my mouth, then I studied, then after that I clicked photos with my mother and sister. Then after that I read a quote that is ज़िंदगी में हर मौके का फ़ायदा उठाओ लेकिन किसी के विश्वास का फ़ायदा मत उठाओ. And also I read one quote, बेवकूफ़ बनते रहो रिश्ते बनते रहेंगे, रिश्ते बने रहेंगे, जिस दिन गलत के खिलाफ आवाज़ उठाओगे रिश्ते टूटने लगेंगे. Basically these are the two quotes I wrote. Basically I'm reading it. Basically it is in Hindi. That is why I'm reading it in Hindi, right? So basically this is the quote what I had done this. Then after that my sister asked something regarding laptop through WhatsApp. Basically there is something happening in laptop, so she asked me. Then after that she also sent some pictures of the laptop, right? So yes, basically that is the thing what is actually happening. I don't know, the light ray is coming from here, right? The light ray, as you can see, the light ray, it is coming from here, right? So yes, so basically guys, this is the thing what is actually happened. And after that you know my sister trying to send something for me through online platform for something, but the location is not supported, that app, that particular app. That is why it had not happened. Then after that I played with my nephew and niece, and at the time of evening I ate food, and after some time later I went for the sleep. So basically guys, this is the thing what is actually happening in my today's recording video. I hope you have really understood this video. If you have really understood this video, then kindly please like it, because whenever you like some videos, it really motivates me and encourages me to upload more and more videos at a very continuous manner. So yes guys, this is the thing what is actually happened. So now I'm gonna to learn the chapter that is next unit, second unit, that is chapter 5, formation of the company, promoters and online registration of a company. Learning objectives, introduction, formation of companies, section 3, promoter, section 269, preliminary or pre-incorporation contract, online registration of a company, summary in answer to in text questions, and self-assessment questions, suggested readings. Now the first is 5.1, that is learning objectives. After studying this chapter, student will able to describe the incorporation of a company, okay, and the concept of promoter, his or her legal position, liabilities, remuneration, etc. The concept of preliminary and provisional contract, and the online registration of a company. That light ray is very irritating. Introduction, okay. So I don't know how to fix this ray. I have shooten so many videos today as well, but this is not happening so much as it is happening like that. So introduction. Company can be formed after completing a few formalities and following a few regulations which are mentioned under Companies Act 2013. It is important or mandatory to get a company registered, then after that its operation will be started. There are long procedures or various stages involved in the formation of a company. But before all that, first we need to decide what kind of company we want to start, like a public company, private company, or we are going to take an already established concern. All these decisions are taken by certain persons known as promoters. They do all the necessary preliminary work for the formation of a company. In case of public company, promotion, incorporation, capital, subscription, stage, and certificate of commencement required. But in case of private company, only two stages required: promotion and incorporation. So section 3, formation of a company. Section 3 of first, that is section 3 of 1, a company may be formed for any lawful purpose by 7 or more person, where the company to be formed is to be a public company; 2 or more person, where the company to be formed is to be a private company; Okay, 7 or more person where the company is formed is to be a public company. 2 or more person where the company is to be formed to be a private company. 1 person where the company is to be formed by 1 person company. Formed to is to be 1 person company, that is to say a private company. By subscribing their names or his name to a memorandum and complying with the requirements of this act in respect of registration. A company so formed may be one of the following: a company limited by shares, a company limited by guarantee, or a limited company. An unlimited company, right? Incorporation of company, section 7. There shall be filed with the registrar within whose jurisdiction the registered office of a company is proposed to be suited the following documents and information for registration, namely the memorandum and articles of the company duly signed by all the subscribers to the memorandum in such manner as may be prescribed. A declaration in the prescribed form by an advocate, a chartered accountant, cost accountant, or company secretary in practice who is engaged in the formation of the company, and by a person named in the articles as a director, manager, or secretary of the company, that all the requirements of this act and rules made there under in respect of registration and matters precedent or incidental thereto have been compiled with an affidavit, address for correspondence, including surname of family name, residential address, nationality, and such other particulars of every subscriber to be memorandum along with proof of identity. Directors of the company, their names including surnames or family name, the director identification number, residential address, nationality. Interests of the person, first directors of the company, these all are the statements are required. The basis of documents and information, certificate of incorporation, the certificate of incorporation, registered office copies of all documents and information, false or incorrect, false or incorrect information, certificate of incorporation, section 7 of 2. So these are the things which is required here. So I am not going to read everything, but from here some basic thing, but after that I will do that from the another source. Now, what is promoter? Section 2 of 69, definition. A promoter means a person who has been named uh, as such in a prospectus or is identified by the company in the annual return in section 92(1). A person who has control over the affairs of the company directly or indirectly, whether as a shareholder, director, or otherwise, or a person who is in agreement with whose advice, directions, or instructions the board of directors of the company is accustomed to act. Meaning of promoter: a promoter may be an individual, a firm, or a company, association of people, or uh, even the government, who performs all basic and preliminary work and duties which are necessary to bring a company into existence. He conceives the idea, develops it, and finds and includes and induces or influences other to join the company. He is a father of the company. Okay. The promoters prepare the scheme and ideas for the formation of the company, find and bring together the subscribers to the memorandum, prepare the memorandum and articles, and get it executed and registered, find the bankers, brokers, and legal advisors, find the full directors, and make arrangement for the advertisement and circulation of the prospectus, and arranges the capital. A person cannot be considered as a promoter because he merely signed at foot of the memorandum, or that he has provided money for the payment of formation expenses. A signatory to a memorandum who has not performed the functions of the promoter of a company may not be liable as a promoter. So yes guys, I think it is enough for today. So in the upcoming videos I would like to discuss the functions of promoter and legal position of promoter and so on. So yes guys, this is the thing what is actually happened. So I think it is enough for today guys, so let's end here guys. See you again.